Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Brandy here. I wanted to share with you, I made some flags and some rosettes, and I just wanted to share with you how I did those and kind of the products that I used. So the first thing I have are the flags, and I used this large paper clip for the top, and then I just cut out, I just used some pebbles. I mean, you can use any paper, but this is what I used for these. I used this Pebbles Delightful collection, and I just wanted a bunch of different colors to give me lots of colorful options. And I cut these into about 2 inches in length, and this is 1.5 inches wide. And then what I did was I really just eyeballed this, and well, no, I didn't. I calculated how wide it was, and then I made a, what do you call that? A mark, basically, and cut in the middle. I think it was about, what, a quarter inch in, and then I just eyeballed it to each side and made the flag part. And this one I did not double side the paper. I just wanted to do a little flap on the back because you're not going to see it anyways for the projects that I'm going to use these for. So and then what I did was, you can kind of see here, I painted the bottom of these with this Sparks, let's see what color, well, this is the gold, oh here it is, Unicorn Hair by Art, that art product, and I can't remember, or Prima, this is by Prima, I'm sorry. Anyways, and then on some of them, oh no, this is for the Rosettes. So I just used the Sparks Unicorn Hair color on the V part of the flag. And then I used cheesecloth for the back of these. So like underneath each one, there's like some cheesecloth that I hot glued down. And I just, excuse me, I didn't mean to do that. I just took it apart, and I just used, I just cut probably that much of it, 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And I just, kind of shredded it a little bit to give it some different, and then I just kind of folded it up and then put it on the flag for some texture. And then I think I used the feather for all of these, and I got this feather trim. It comes like this, and I got this at Hobby Lobby. So, and I just cut, it's got like a thread or something that's holding these on this piece of string, and so I just cut the thread and then pull these pieces off, and I cut what I need, or tear or whatever. And so that's what I did for that. And then I used gold thread, and I just wound it up, around my 2 fingers. Whoops. And this is not going the way I want it to. Sorry. Things just don't always go the way you want them, right? Okay, so anyways, so then I made it kind of do that, and then I tied it, and then I put that on top of the feather and the cheesecloth, and then I chose either an image or a something that had a word on it, like beautiful or priceless, and I raised those up with, the raised dots, the foam dots, and put that down. And then I chose like a word or an embellishment, like this one has an embellishment of a bird. And then I made these tassels with the floss thread, and just to hide where I stuck it on the paper clip, I just made a little bow and put that there. And then I have these cute little rhinestone stickers. They come in a huge pack, but my friend gave them to me in these cute little packages, or these cute little baggies, and they work perfect. So I just picked out the colors that matched what I was doing, and and that's pretty much what I did. And then this bow I made with the die cut from AliExpress, and it's not the smallest, it's the second smallest, I think, and I think they come in like a 3 or 4 pack. Anyways, and then I used stickles on the center, and what is this one? Let's see. I was gonna see if it had a name. Oh, let's see. No. Well, anyways, it's kind of a rose gold. And so I stickled the center because I didn't like that it was just white paper, because the paper that I used is not double-sided. So anyways, I just used some scraps for this and stickled the center, and it really turned out really cute, and I'm really happy with it. And let's see what else here. So I did that. Yeah, so that's what I did for the flags, and I just did one single flag. Some people like to do 2 flags, you know, where they're smaller flags and one comes this way and one comes that way, and some of them are double-sided. I just did one single, and I thought they were really cute. So that's what I did with those. And then for the rosettes, so I used the Maggie Holmes, so I just forgot what it was called. Let's see. Just real quick. This is called the Chasing Dreams collection. This is the Chasing Dreams collection, and I used the one that had like the watercolor on it, and I really liked it because it gave just the rosettes some different color choices, again, to give me more options on what I could put on them. So these I really layered up also. I did, I punched out some pieces, I had some left over, and I punched out what I had left with this hole punch, or this punch, it's not a hole punch, but it's like a flower punch, and I just wanted it to have, give it some stability on the rosette. And these are the smaller ones, so they come in, this is the punch that I used, or the die cut that I used, and it's the Tim Holtz, and it's the mini paper rosettes, 2 sizes, which is, this is the large, which is this size basically, and then the small is this size right here. And they give you the backs or the fronts or whatever you choose to use. Anyways, that's that die cut that I used for these. And so then what I did was I just put them kind of on these. This is really big, but let's see if I can find one that's not quite as. So you can see I kind of put it off to the side, so it just gave me a little bit of color in that corner. And then I did the cheesecloth again and the thread, and then I punched out some flags with the scraps from that same paper, and then I did the unicorn hair paint on the edges, or I stickled it with the rose gold here on, like this one I doubled the flag. And then I just either chose an image or a word. Well, I guess I did all images on this one, images and a word. And yeah, I think they turned out really cute, and some of them I did the feathers and some of them I didn't, and then I did some of them with these little puffy, I'm totally forgetting what they're called, but you know what they are. Anyways, they're the little puffy circle stickers. And Anyways, they turned out really cute. I'm very happy with how I did them. Some of them I did just the craft paper, and those were a little harder to do. I don't know if it's the style of paper or it was a lot. It was not quite as easy to use. But anyways, so that's what I did, and I had a lot of fun kind of mixing and matching and putting these together. Most of these embellishments are from AliExpress. Some of them are replicas of the Maggie Holmes collection, but they are AliExpress, and when I got them, I didn't realize that I had purchased something that had an image that was part of a Maggie Holmes collection. And I was actually kind of excited because they're smaller, so I can make these kind of embellishments, and yeah, so it worked out good. Anyways, so that is what I did, and so here they are. And I had a lot of fun making these, and I'm definitely going to experiment using more flags together on this type of embellishment, and I am going to try and figure out a way to use this as an embellishment and figure out what kind of small images I can find to put on these ones. But I haven't tried the small ones yet because I just haven't gotten that far. Anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will look forward to doing another video for you guys. See you later. Bye guys.